Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Wrike custom fields and forms data easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Wrike custom fields and forms data, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the workspace where your custom fields and forms are located. Click on the Custom Fields tab to access your existing fields. Take note of each custom field's name and type. If necessary, create a spreadsheet to document these details. Next, open the Forms section under the Forms tab. List all the forms you have created within the workspace. For each form, record its title, description, and associated custom fields. To capture the structure of each form, click on the Edit option for the forms. Take screenshots of the form layouts as visual documentation. Be sure to capture any conditional logic applied to the fields. Now, check if any automated workflows utilize these custom fields. Document the workflows that are associated with the forms and custom fields. After you have compiled all necessary information, review the spreadsheet for accuracy. Once verified, save the spreadsheet in a secure location. Additionally, consider exporting the forms as PDFs for a more permanent backup. Open the form you want to save and select the option to print. Choose Save as PDF in the print settings to create a copy of the form. Repeat this process for all forms that require backup. Finally, store all documentation in a centralized, secure location for easy retrieval. Your Wrike custom fields and forms data is now safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.